In this quick guide video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending. Now these codes are very important in order to reset your password, or if you're trying to log into your account and you have two-factor authentication turned on. Now the first thing that you can do in order to fix this problem is that you can simply tap on this request a new one right here, and as soon as you do that, a new code should be sent to the mobile number or your email address. So try to check if that works. Now if that does not work, make sure that your SIM card is working properly. You can check that by simply trying to make a phone call to anyone else, or if you have on different number, you can try to call it. If that works completely fine and you still don't get the code, that could simply be because there is a problem that Instagram is facing right now. So most of the times that this problem is caused because Instagram system is having an issue. If that is the case, you can try out to get the code after a few hours, and that time you'll be able to get the code without having any issues. So those were the few steps that you can do in order to fix Instagram code not sending. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.